If you're craving pizza but don't want to deal with dough from scratch, this recipe is your new best friend. We're using soft, round pita bread as the base and stacking 2 layers to create a pizza that's quick, satisfying, and totally unique. It's perfect for weekend dinners, movie nights, or whenever that pizza craving hits. Take 1 full chicken breast and cut it into small bite-sized cubes. Add 2 garlic cloves, crushed or paste for that bold flavor punch. Then go in with the spices. 2 teaspoons of red chili powder or cayenne for that kick, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for that rich color, and finally 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix so that the spices coat every bit of chicken. Now drizzle in 3 tablespoons of oil. This helps everything stick and makes the chicken super juicy. Mix again, and if you're into a spicier bite, feel free to add a little more red chili powder. Next, squeeze in half a lemon. This gives it that fresh, tangy balance. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of vinegar for that deep umami flavor. Give it one last mix, cover it up, and let that marinate in the fridge or on the counter for at least 2 hours. The longer, the better. You'll taste the difference. In a pan, add about 2 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Now add in the marinated chicken and let it sear for a while. Give it a mix and pop the lid on. Let it cook on medium heat until the water completely evaporates and the chicken is fully cooked. It'll start to look slightly crispy and golden. Now comes the fun part, building the pizza. Start with 1 round pita bread. This is your base. Spread a generous layer of tomato paste all over. Then sprinkle on sliced capsicum and some shredded cabbage for that great texture. Add a layer of the chicken filling we just made. A bit more cabbage for the crunch and then some sliced olives. Top it all off with shredded cheese. Now take another pita bread and place it on top. Repeat the layers: tomato paste, capsicum, cabbage, more chicken, more cheese, and finish with olives again. Pop it into a preheated oven. Set it to pizza mode at 250 Celsius, which is around 480 Fahrenheit. Bake for around 5 to 7 minutes, enough to melt the cheese and crisp up the edges. And just like that, your cheesy, spicy, double-layer pita pizza is ready to devour. And there you have it, a golden double-decker pizza that's crispy on the edges, soft in the middle, and bursting with flavor. This isn't your typical pizza. It's quicker, lighter, and perfect for those days when you want something fun and homemade without the fuss. If this looks as tempting to you as it tasted to me, give this video a like. And tell me in the comments, what would you add to your pita pizza? Maybe some jalapenos or a drizzle of garlic mayo? And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss more delicious, easy recipes like this one. Thank you for watching and happy cooking!